Bam! Welcome to this live stream. We jumping in here to get stuff done. Oh, we got some new fire that we're bringing to the table, and I'm really excited about it. This is like the super fire that you need to answer the judge, to respond. Remember, everybody's stuff is the same. This package right here we put together to answer the judge, stop the judge, bam the judge in the face. This package right here, what we about to talk about right now, is the hot. It's going to be the hot snot on the thing, and that's all right. Sorry. Pro Se Lawsuit Center. I'm coaching. I'm a little fired up today because we bringing fire. Oh, I said that already. All right. Well, you know what? I'm gonna place it in here and let y'all take a look at it yourself because y'all might think I'm playing. The new people, okay? Because you old people, y'all ask, no, I ain't playing. Yeah. I'm pasting a link to this new fire right here in the Ching Chang. And first person to go and look at that and tell me how much it is, I'm gonna give you the credit card lawsuit for free. Okay, you get the credit card. First person, then but you got to be the first person. You got to tell me right here how much we got that package at right now. Okay, this package is structured to stop the judge in his or her tracks. I think that covers everybody. I don't know. There might be some other. This covers it. Oh, this covers it. We already need to go do a commercial break. Okay, never mind. We need to get started. This is the new foreclosure judicial notice lawsuit package. What the hell is that? Okay, some of you guys know that we've been using the fraudulent, the judicial notice of fraudulent conveyance and the judicial notice of lis pendens to jam these people up. And this is for the people that ain't got the money. Okay, this you cloud your own title and make your property toxic. Okay, and then I was thinking we need to have a way to make the court address the judicial notice, because the judicial notice is put on the court to let them know administrative facts. Okay, well, we figured something out right here. You weren't defeated by the facts. You were processed. If you went through foreclosure and felt like you got ignored, rushed, they talked crap in your face, if you felt like you were silenced, if you felt like at the end of every hearing, they already knew what they were going to do, if you felt like that, this message is for you. Most people think the foreclosure cases are decided in the fair courts. They're not. They're pushed through administrative process. You were processed. Disguised as administrative process and disguised as courts, where the rules are hidden, changed, and enforced upon you without your consent. Their ass ain't following the rules. Y'all know they ain't following no rules. We didn't even get into that. The concealment that you're not in a judicial court is the real fraud. Okay, that's just addressing why. That's the why they're able to jack you over like they're doing so much all the time. That's why arguing the mortgage is it's not very effective or fun. This strategy doesn't fight the bank. It exposes the why the courts were able to violate your rights in the first place. Why? We figured out different strategies for attacking the conventional system with our non-conventional system. The judicial notice, the control point is the judicial notice. The judicial notice puts facts into the court record without allowing attorneys to argue, respond, or even spin the issue, without the judge's interference. You're just placing administrative facts in the court record. You're not moving the court to do anything at this point. Coach, moving. Now we're coming to the railroad tracks. The court has an obligation to take notice and act on any judicial notice that's undisputable facts that's placed by place. Oh yeah, we figured out a way to make that shit happen. The court must either acknowledge the facts or ignore them. And most of the time they ignore them because we have not figured out the power of a judicial notice and how to deploy it to do the damage that we need to do. And when the courts ignore them, that silence becomes evidence. It becomes an exhibit. It becomes the situation, the due process violation. This package is a 3-document structure. The first document is a judicial notice to lock the undisputed facts in the record. The second document is an objection to the court's refusal to interfere and stop the court process. The second is the objection that the court refused to address the due process violation. The second is the objection that the courts turn a blind eye and refuse to address the procedural due process violation. And the third one is the substantive due process pleading that explains why those violations cause you harm and validated the process. This is not defense. This is offense. This is offense. Okay, I got to clean that up. This is offensive in its entirety. It is their entire control of the court and the court record. It's for people who realize the problem wasn't the bank. It's for people who realize. It's for people who realize that the problem was the court process itself. That was the problem. The court process itself violated your due process in a huge way. It's not judicial. So you have no constitutional rights. This package should stop the foreclosure process because it adds the parties right to the litigation. It adds the parties to the litigation. This should stop the court process because it's forcing the court to address the judicial notice without arguing. The judicial notice is undisputed facts, administrative facts. This preserves a violation, exposes concealment, and forces accountability into the record. Bam! So if you're done being processed and ready to document the truth, this strategy was built for you. if you want to do that without going through the whole humdrum, all the same crap they go through and put you through while they're taking shots and punches at you the whole way, this document, this package is for you. This package gives you opportunity. You don't even have to punch the judge. Just lay your stuff out. Okay, maybe you're punching somebody's ass because the judicial notice is a badass way to take control of the court process without having attorneys in the way, without the judge interfering. As a matter of fact, if the judge don't act on it, which I'm sure the judge won't, then the judge is interfering. So kind of interfering, but not in the normal way where they get to drag this stuff out, whatever. Bam! This puppy dog right here is going to shut the door on some stuff. It's for $40. Oh, damn, did I let the cat out of the bag, out of the barn? It's all out of the barn. $40. This package right now is $40, and it ain't going to be here very long. I need 10 reviews. People have used this, and I need reviews from people that aren't my friend. Okay, let me frame that a little different. So some bar member idiot was on the YouTube channel and was saying, "Oh, come on, coach, show us your win. You got to show us a win. You just can't have your friends making these videos." I have my friends making these videos saying they're still in their houses all over the freaking United States. So I don't know how this person think I got that many friends. These people are my friends, but they became my friends after they got in the program and after I didn't have to yell at them a bunch of times. I'm just trying to keep it real, Phil. All right. So, yeah, no. Those people are real people that are still in the house. And I left this idiot quite a long response. I don't have wins. I'm not the one. I do. I got a couple. I got a few. I got a few that I got to be personally involved with. Okay, but what we're talking about is not me winning because I'm not an attorney. Okay, I'm a coach. I help people learn how to address this due process violation on two separate documents now, okay? In this case, we got three because we're going in with the judicial notice, and the judicial notice is part of what we've been teaching people to place in the public record. And, well, you place it in the public record as a notice. The judicial part of it is where you change it to fit into, and you file it in your case. So if you're in this program, you should already have the judicial notice filed in your case. You just need to spend $40 here to get the other two documents, bam, to shut that shit down. This is the proper way we need to respond to the state court BS. Instead of rushing out of there and running over here and getting those people to tell those people over there, nah, we're tired of doing that. We're tired of doing that. We're gonna handle it right here, right now. Let's go. That's where we're at. Let's go. The foreclosure judicial notice lawsuit package. Control the record, expose the process without a word from the attorney's asses. Oh, they're gonna be mad about this. They're gonna be mad. They're going to, without a word from the judge, without the judge's interference. The judge ain't, well, we know the judge probably ain't going to do nothing, so the judge is getting set up here anyway. It's just a setup. This is a bait document the judge is going to bite onto. Not bite onto, excuse me. We got to get it right, okay? Because we know the judge is going to ignore it. That's what they've been doing. But not anymore. So all you people who got the judicial notice filed in your case, this is what you need to put in their face. Without hearings. This is just without some shit that you have to put up with. Oh, okay, so let's just go check it out while we're here. Bam! This is it right here. Oh, this is some real fire waiting to burn something. This package shifts the foreclosure case away from the mortgage argument to the court process violations. And it does it using a judicial notice to control the record, preserve due process violations, and expose administrative courts operating as judicial forms without lawful authority. Bam! Oh, can we figure out a lesson? All right, cheap. I'm just going to say it. What the hell? Can we figure out a cheaper way to kick these people in the face? Come on now. I'm going to make it $40. $40. But you know, if you guys want to get the $40, you gotta hit me up, and you gotta take a look at that, and you might have to send me a review video on it just from what you think, and then do a follow up. I don't know. Having trouble getting my review videos. I did get a few from some people after the last workshop and after the last thing, and I want to thank everybody. Don't have a list right here, so I'm not gonna name anybody. So I want to leave somebody out. Okay, but those people who took the time to send me the video, I appreciate it. And you understand that appreciation when you need something, when you call me with a situation. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I remember. Well, I don't remember right now, but I do remember. Oh, wait, I do remember. I don't remember. Come on now, Coach, keep out with me. Now, okay, so you guys can see what we got going on here. Wow. This is going to be revolutionary. The last revolutionary stuff I had, as I said, it was like sliced white bread. All right. All right. Now we coming in behind that with the sliced brown bread. Bam. That's with muffins. We got sliced brown bread with muffins and some other extra shit. I'm having some fun with this. Because this, can you control the court process with a judicial notice? Oh, you should be able to in a judicial court. If you're not in a judicial court, you should be able to in an administrative court, because administrative court is supposed to be going by judicial rules. I think they're supposed to be going by judicial rules because they're telling you it's a judicial court. I don't, I'm just saying, I don't. Somebody leave a comment if I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, because they told me. They told him. They told her it was judicial. Oh, and I had rights. They lie a lot. Y'all ass know that. We ain't even gonna get into that. They lie a lot right there. So, oh, that's so pretty. I'm just gonna let that set right there while we go to a commercial break. Okay, break's over. Commercial break is over. Okay. I'm gonna go and drop it down $40. That's what I said. I'm gonna for $40 for the day and tomorrow. It's gonna be $40. $40 for the day and tomorrow for $40. That's what it's gonna be. Okay. I need to get out of here and go do that, and I'm starting to get hungry. So thank you guys for the value of sharing your time. Get over there and get that. I'm just, I don't have a document that I think that everybody, well, actually there is. There's another set that everybody should have. If you own property, everybody should have the fraudulent conveyance lawsuit package. I think it's like 145 or 140 or something. Everybody should have that and put in place that against your, okay. And then if you going into court, got a court process, think you're going to be in court, have a court, have a friend in court, your neighbor, girlfriend, anybody, get the $40 document, crush their case for $40 damn dollars. But I got to go mark it down because it's up to 400. I think I got too many zeros. I didn't know where to put the decimals. I can't believe I'm giving my stuff away at $40. Oh, man, the boss is going to be, Lily's outside. She's going to be upset too. But she's going to be happy when we figure out, when people get to see the power. Ordinary people bringing the firepower to the table over her. That's what, $40. Oh, just dismiss your case. Spontua, sue or spontua, or didn't even give them a chance, judge answer for them. Oh, make it the last time. Bam! Let's go.